Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Calendly for team scheduling in 2025. This is perfect if your team wants to manage meetings together without back-and-forth messages. Step 1. Open Calendly and sign in. From your dashboard, click on Create and choose Event Type. This time, instead of a one-on-one meeting, select collective or round-robin depending on how your team wants to share bookings. Step 2. For a collective event, everyone on the team must be available for a booking to happen. For a round-robin, Calendly automatically assigns meetings to available team members in rotation, balancing workloads. Step 3. Click Team Members and select teammates who should be part of the event. Make sure each person has their Calendly connected to a calendar like Google Calendar so there are no conflicts. Step 4. Customize the event details such as name, duration, and description. Then click When can people book this event to set team availability. Calendly will combine everyone's schedules automatically. Step 5. Choose your meeting location like Zoom or Google Meet, and click Next to add reminders or confirmation emails. Step 6. Once you're happy with the setup, click Publish. You'll get a booking link that anyone can use to schedule time with your team. That's how you use Calendly for team scheduling in 2025. It keeps your meetings organized and automatic. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.